Hello, this is Dr. Nathan Stickney at Foot and Ankle Associates of North Texas. I'm going to talk to you today about a product that we carry called a heel kit. This is given for a condition called plantar fasciitis. Plantar fasciitis is one of the most common, if not the most common condition we see here in our clinic. One of the most important things that is a treatment for plantar fasciitis is stretching of that ligament. Plantar fasciitis generally comes from when that ligament gets too tight. It basically gets some small micro tears in that ligament. That ligament then has those micro tears bring in inflammation, which causes a lot of pain. So in our heel kit, we have three main products. The first product is a TheraBand resistant band. This is used for whenever you're doing stretching for that plantar fascial ligament. What you'll want to do is you'll want to stretch the calf muscle. This band is wrapped around the ball of your foot. You will then pull on the band, hold it for about 30 seconds, which will stretch that calf muscle and plantar fascial ligament. Then you'll let it down for about 30 seconds and then do it again. So very important with the stretching exercises for plantar fasciitis. The next product in the heel kit is a foot roller. This product is specially made with specific ridges in the actual roller to help massage the bottom of the foot. So what we have patients do is put this in the freezer, take it out of the freezer, and then roll on the bottom of their foot from the heel to the ball of the foot. These ridges get in there, help deep massage. It also helps stretch that plantar fascial ligament. Really helps in relief for plantar fasciitis. The last and final product in the heel kit is BioFreeze. BioFreeze has an ingredient in it called menthol. Menthol is a pain relieving gel. So you try to put this on multiple times a day at the area, and it helps really relieve the pain in the area of the plantar fasciitis. So if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis, please come to our office. We will help you. A lot of times we'll give you this heel kit, which helps really resolve that plantar fasciitis and help that pain go down. So if you're dealing with plantar fasciitis, please come in to North Texas Foot and Ankle Associates, and we'll take care of you and give you a heel kit to take care of that plantar fasciitis.